What's up, YouTube? It's April 21st. I'm about to do a quick overview of my Can-Am Maverick X3 RC edition. It's a 2018. It's the 64-inch model. I bought it as a demo the beginning of February from Performance East out of Goldsboro, North Carolina. And on it has a 4,500 pound winch. I put an 18-inch light bar on it. Also, I put a clear half windshield from Super ATV. Also, I got the half lower doors from Super ATV. I got these mirrors from Amazon. Got this Can-Am net from Amazon also. I put these 32-inch Moto Havocs on an 18-inch Rockstar wheel. Also, I put this Rockford Fosgate Stage 3 system. It comes with the head unit, 2 speakers in the dash. It comes also with an aftermarket dash. And the sub is located under the seat. Also, I put some rock lights on all 4 corners. These 2-inch cube lights for the back, for when you ride at night, putting it in reverse to help see, because you know the X3 has a terrible blind spot. Also, I put a full Empire exhaust on it. Also, I have the 172 tune from Carolina ATV. I got that up there, got it reflashed. Also, recently what I've done that I haven't tested out yet, put some 4-inch Generation 3 Super ATV portals on it. Gotta see what that's gonna do. It's 15-inch gear reduction, so with those 32s it should do pretty well. Don't have to worry about breaking too much stuff. But you know, it's the quarantine right now, so once all the ATV parks open, we will be hitting Busco, Deep Creek, Outback. I'm trying to go to River Neck in South Carolina. But if you all will comment, subscribe, and share, and get this page booming, I have a lot more content for you.